Anyway, guys, you might think we are all going through a lot in South Africa, but honestly speaking, some people are living in their dream country. So, anyway, guys, so let's get to start today. No, the result has Samani Pizza Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you. So, before I get to Terelo and Mosamsaleko, guys, we all wish to be Sol Penduga. So yesterday, Usol Pendoka was suspended by Kaya FM. So today he went on to tweet on his Twitter account. This is what he tweeted. Not the radio program managers already calling. The link is not even right, guys. So there is certain jobs in South Africa that are just waiting for certain people to be unemployed. Like guys, unelike Usol Pendoka. Imagine being suspended now. The radio managers are calling you to join them. Guys, abo Sol Penduka, they are so lucky, guys. People are saying, oh, so there's a lady who went on to say, Usol Penduka being fired at Kaya FM, it is the best news this year. He deserved it. He's disrespected Minnie Dlamini on the podcast and chill has zero respect for women, just like Meg G. He will continue to lose many more brands, gigs. I'm happy he's gone. So some people are happy that he's gone, guys. So anyway, guys, let's get to Terelo and Mosam Saleko. We know that on the last episode, Izingani's Tembo season 3, Utirilo got engaged by Mpumelo Ingania Kamayini, guys, and everyone was so excited. So this is what Musamseleko posted on his Instagram account, and people are saying, oh, there's nothing to be celebrated here. So he posted a picture, Lana, you can see it is Tirelo, Spinde, and Amahle, first wife Yakampumelelo, with the caption Mtombeni Siyakubongela kakhulu. This is not easy at all. One day we all will witness your success. And people are saying, what success? Umpumelelo needs to go back to school and get a degree and get a diploma and get a proper job. Guys, Umpumelelo is very successful. Let's all be honest. I don't understand. Every time when Musam Saleko is celebrating Umpumelelo, people are talking about education. How many people that are educated are graduate, they have honors, but they are currently unemployed, guys. We cannot depend on education, but if you have something to do, you have a talent, I mean, you have a business idea, start that business. Umpumelo, guys, he has a security company, he is a musician, so he's doing a lot of stuff, and people are really trying to bring Umpumelo down. That is totally unfair, guys. Let's all be honest. Not everyone is going to be successful through education. Yes, so Umpilo, he's a graduate. Uabongwe, he's also currently doing his final year. So everyone is going to be different. Usne, guys, she can also start a business. Not everyone is going to do the same thing, guys. So people are being unfair on Musam Saleko, guys. I do understand what Umpumelo, he might not be people's favorite, but honestly speaking, he has done so much for himself. Again, it seems like Musam Saleko has officially welcomed Utsirelo, guys. It's the first time Musam Saleko posted to Utsirelo. It means that he needed to wait for Utsirelo to get engaged so that he can post the hi. So anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.